In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template into Mailchimp. Whether you're crafting a sleek marketing campaign or a simple newsletter, importing an HTML template can give you greater control over design and functionality. It's a quick process that only takes about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to prepare your HTML file. It's important to ensure your email template is a single .html file. This simplifies the process, making it easier for Mailchimp to handle your template seamlessly. If your email includes images, they need to be accessible from the web. Upload them to a web server or use cloud storage, and make sure their URLs are absolute. This means each image URL should include HTTP or HTTPS, ensuring it can be accessed by anyone receiving your email. Additionally, make sure your HTML is inline styled. Mailchimp doesn't support style tags in the head section, so any styling needs to be applied directly to HTML elements. Now it's time to head over to Mailchimp, log in using your credentials, then navigate to the campaign section. You'll find this option in the left menu. Once there, start a new campaign by clicking on Create Campaign, then select Email and choose Regular Email. This will set the stage for you to insert your custom HTML template. Next, you'll be directed to the content section where you need to click Design Email. This is where the actual template design happens. To add your HTML code, drag and drop a code block onto the design space. You'll then be able to open an HTML editor. Here, simply paste the HTML code you've prepared. Once your code is in place, click Save and Close to ensure your template is saved within Mailchimp. Before you go ahead and hit send, it's crucial to take a moment to preview your email. Use the preview and test option to check its responsiveness. This lets you see how your email will display on various devices, ensuring a consistent look no matter where it's viewed. And to be absolutely thorough, send a test email to yourself or a colleague. This final step confirms that everything appears as it should across different email platforms and devices. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have successfully imported your HTML email template into Mailchimp, ready to engage your audience with a polished and professional email. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.